Thank you very much. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Marang Baloch from Pakistan's southwestern Balochistan province. I am very delighted and honored to be around some courageous and diverse voices today. I am very thankful to PEN Norway, World Expression Forum, and Utøya Island for bringing together such a diverse group of young activists standing against powerful forces. We will see each other more in Lillehammer, so I will keep my comments brief. I lead a peaceful rights movement from the platform Baloch Solidarity Committee in Balochistan, from a corner of the world that remains unknown to the outside world. The area I belong to has been reeling from violence and insurgencies for the last 7 decades. During these last 2 decades, in the name of counter-insurgency, operations and peace, a large number of young men, mostly students, engineers, doctors, political activists and journalists have been forcibly disappeared by Pakistani security agencies. I expect many of you don't know what enforced disappearance is. Enforced disappearance is when your own government and the security agencies abduct political activists and the vocal voices and don't present them in any courts. They have been detained in the detention centers, tortured, and their family didn't know about their whereabouts. Not for days, but for years, even though there are cases who have been enforcedly disappeared for decades. And the family didn't know that their beloved ones are alive or dead. So that's mean definition of enforced disappearances. And it's been illegal in, you can say, in any state. And in UN Human Rights Forum, it's been illegal. But still till today, it's been practiced by the fascist states, by the oppressor states like Pakistan. During these last 2 decades, in the